Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about the inbox feature on Simplified. This is a social media management tool where you can browse and reply to messages, comments, and mentions from all your different social media platforms all in one place. You can access the inbox by being in your social media homepage and then choosing the inbox icon on the left-hand side menu. So first, let's talk about the layout here. Similar to the content calendar, these icons up here represent the different social media accounts that you have connected to your Simplified account. When an icon is highlighted, that indicates that the information from that account will appear here. You can click one of these icons to unhighlight it, which means all the comments, messages, and mentions from that social media platform will no longer show up in your stream. You can also use this drop-down here to check all types of social media notifications, or you can select individually which social media notifications you want to include. You'll also see these numbers here, which indicate notifications. I have 86 notifications total, and then you'll see a breakdown by each platform and the type of notification. When you're finished making your adjustments, simply click Apply, and those changes will reflect in your stream. So you can see that we have streams and conversations up here. Streams are just a brief overview of all of your different notifications. And you can see within each notification, you can get a little bit more information. So right here, you'll be able to see which platform the notification is from. And then this icon here represents what type of notification it is, whether it's a comment, a mention, or a message. When you hover your mouse over one of the notifications, you'll see these icons appear in the right-hand side. You can use this icon here to go to the conversation. You can use this icon to mark it as resolved, and then these three dots give you the option to open it on the network, so this would bring me to my Facebook account, or preview it using this button here. So let's go to the conversation, which will open this message in the Conversation tab. So now that we're on this conversation page, you can still see your streams on the left-hand side. You'll see your message in the middle here, and on the right-hand side here, you'll be able to use this icon to go directly to this person's profile. Now let's look at a comment. So here I know that this is a comment on my Facebook post, and I can see which post on my Facebook all these comments are left on. So I'm going to respond to this message. You can also use this plus button in the bottom toolbar to upload images and media directly from your device, or you'll have access to your media library with just a click. You can also use this icon here to include emojis into your message. Once you've completed your message, you can just use this yellow send button, and this comment will publish to my Facebook account in this stream. And that's it. So now that I've finished responding to this customer, I'm going to use this check mark here to mark it as resolved. I can undo that action by clicking this icon here. And if we return to our streams, you'll see that that notification is no longer here. However, if I toggle this on here, I'll be able to see all my resolved and unresolved comments. Thanks for watching, guys. We'd love to hear from you in the comments, and check out our other tutorials to see how Simplified social media tools can help you every step of the way. See you there.